Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2006 Acura RSX. All of the taillights are located in a single bulb housing in the rear of the vehicle. You only need to remove a single portion of trunk lining on either side to reach the bulbs, and no tools will be required to do so. The engine coolant reservoir is easy to spot in the front of the engine bay. The level markers are relatively easy to see on the back of the reservoir, and you won't need to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The spare tire and jack kit are quick to find beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. Some of the headlights will be rather tedious to access. The high beam and daytime running lights on the passenger side will require the removal of the power steering fluid reservoir first, while the headlight on either side will require tools to disengage and pull back the wheel well lining. The transmission fluid dipstick is located rather deep in the center of the engine bay. You'll have to make a long reach past other engine components in order to remove or replace it. You'll need to disengage the glove box before you can reach the cabin air filters, which are positioned in a cramped housing that offers a rather tight access. Overall, despite a couple of difficult setups, the 2006 Acura RSX is an easy car to maintain that would be a good choice for the novice car repair person.